Hey, it's Terrence Hill, the real estate consultant, coming to you today in Cordova. Behind me, we have a home that was built in 2019. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. On the bottom level, we have an open floor plan where the living room extends out into the dining room area in the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have stainless steel appliances. In addition to granite countertops, there's a nice sized patio out back. Also on the bottom level is the primary bedroom. Of course, it's opened up to an ensuite. They have granite countertops. Here's in her kitchen sinks. You'll be able to see the video. This home here upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and 2 storage areas. It's carpeted upstairs. Of course, it's tile in the bathroom and granite countertops there as well. Take a look at it. Give me a call directly if you have any questions at 901-691-2722. Also, join my list where we have upcoming properties that you may be able to gain some more insight about. Again, 901-691-2722, or visit me at terrencehillrealestate.com. You'll see it at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for your time.